How to use Chat GPT to help you study for the English Regents. Okay, so you're struggling with the English Regents. Okay, you're reading this stuff, it's going in one ear, it's coming out the other. You have no clue what it's about. You're taking practice tests, you're failing everything. This is what you do. You take the reading, you copy the whole thing. You go to Chat GPT and you ask it, what is this reading about? Then you paste the entire reading there, and ChatGPT will summarize it for you. Okay? You don't like the tone of voice? You can say it as if you were Snoop Dogg, and it'll tell you in Snoop Dogg's voice what it's about. You can say it as if you were Donald Trump. Say it as if you were Kamala Harris, Joe Biden, Kanye West. Say it in a poem as Kanye West, Justin Bieber, whoever. The point is, it'll tell you all about what it's about, what anything pasted is about, based on your instructions. Okay? And that's not all. Say you are struggling with the multiple choice. Take your practice multiple choice, copy the whole thing, and ask ChatGPT, answer these multiple choice questions for me and explain the answers. Paste the questions, boom. It will tell you what the answers are and why. There you go. Study for the English Regents. Read it, try to answer it, look at the answer sheet, try to figure out why you got it wrong, and if all hope is lost, go to ChatGPT, paste readings over there and ask it to explain it. Paste questions over there and ask it to explain the answers. And hopefully, after doing this over and over again, you will pass. Good luck.